Hello friends. So in this video I will talk about RAG, retrieval augmented generation. So what is RAG? RAG is a artificial intelligence framework. So this is a framework, or you can say tool of artificial intelligence. So actually everyone is talking. So when they are talking about artificial intelligence or they are talking about generative AI, so the most important framework is becomes RAG. Okay. So why RAG is so much important? Okay. So let's suppose if any application has been developed with the help of RAG. So what RAG will do? RAG will take your query and it will check their database. On the data, the RAG model have been trained. So they will look at their files, their database. Then RAG will augment your query. Okay, it will generate a prompt that will cater the need what you actually require. So it will augment the prompt, it will enhance the quality, because so uh, more clear questions you will ask to the AI applications, the more answer they will deliver you. Okay, so let's suppose if your query is not so much clear, and so it will check in their database, it will optimize your query. Okay, then it will give you the more relevant information. Okay, so let's suppose is the model have been trained 6 months back. Okay, and you are looking for any answer right now. So what RAG will do? RAG will check the database, then it will look for a new updated information about your query. Okay, so it will give you the more accurate, more relevant, and more updated information to you. uh, it will also give you result domain specific. Okay, let's suppose if you are searching for any finance related thing, so it will try to put all the contents, give you all the answers relevant to finance. Or if you are asking for healthcare sector, if your query is related to health sector, then it will maintain answers, align answers with the domain specific, whatever domain you have asked. So definitely as a learner, and with the help of RAG, so agents, there are so many agents are being developed, and they are being developed with the help of a RAG API, RAG framework. So definitely